Solar died because you sold payments and not power. I listen to solar calls all the time. We work with a lot of the top solar companies in the United States and abroad. And so I've heard everything. I've heard all the different pitches, and I've heard too many times to count. People say that solar's dead right now. And they say solar's dead because so many of the little handouts that the government was giving to help entice people to buy solar have died. And so they just assume the whole industry is dead. Well, it's dead if all you did during those previous calls was sell the discount of how much these different entitlement handouts from the government were going to reduce their solar bill or installing solar. If that's the only way you sold, just on the discounting, then yeah, solar's pretty dead for you. But instead, what you should be targeting is the real long-term pain that solar helps eliminate, which is not the solar bill that was reduced by the government grant or handout or whatever, but actually their utility bill, which has grown over time instead of shrunk. If you ask almost anybody in this country whether their utility electrical bill has gone up or down, I can basically guarantee, unless like their AC died or something like that, it has gone up and not down. You know what I mean? And so that's really what you should be qualifying on. If in the first 2 minutes of your conversation with a potential solar prospect, you're not talking about their electrical bill, and instead you're talking about some government grant to reduce their solar bill, you might as well hang up the phone and start again at some later time. Because what you need to do is start anchoring the sale around the pain that you know isn't going away and is in fact getting worse, which is their electrical bill that will be reduced by installing solar, and lean away from the short term. I know it was a fun cash grab while it lasted, but the funsy government handout is reducing your solar installation expense pitch that you relied on for so many years. And you know what? This is an important lesson to learn in any vertical. Sometimes you got a sales pitch and it works so well and it generates a bunch of revenue and it gets your name out there and it helps you grow their company. And then the market shifts, and this happens all the time in every vertical you can imagine. And suddenly that old pitch doesn't work anymore. And at that point, you find out what kind of salesperson you are. Are you one who just had a great break and learned how to master a single sales pitch? Or are you somebody who can survive turmoil, change, evolution over time? And that latter person, let me tell you, people talk about a K-shaped economy. It's going to be a K-shaped market for people in every occupation going forward. We're all terrified of AI and how it's going to take our jobs and whatnot, and how it's going to replace skills and all sorts of things. Well, let me tell you, I can't guarantee what the world is going to look like in 3, 5, or 10 years, but I can guarantee that change is going to be a huge part of it. And in fact, that change is going to be coming more rapidly than ever before. And so you want to make sure you're somebody who can survive change. And in this case, if you're in solar, the change is you got to move away from selling a discounted installation and move into selling a long-term discounted electrical bill. And if you do that, I guarantee you solar is not dead. If you like this advice, if you like learning about different verticals like I do that aren't even necessarily your own, or if you're in solar and you want to hear more tips and tricks, then please like and subscribe below, and I'll keep talking about this kind of stuff.